Agriculture bill, one of the Congress MLA, Advocate Carlos, on the floor of the House, he has given an amendment by adding one word such. हे word such घायला जाल्यार सगळे सारको जाल म्हणपाक लागलो. कितें such म्हण जावं, such म्हणजे सारकें न्हू, SUCH such. So this was, we are here as opposition MLAs, not to give suggestions. No, if you want to be a consultant to them, you can do it. What you are trying to prove? You are an opposition MLA. तू जायना सांबाळपाक opposition that you are trying to give suggestion. What is the issue? So this is the problem. I think the problem here is party principles. Party principles good as per. Party principles good alle असे जायना. That is the whole problem. I think leader of opposition should take account of this. Why this has happened? कित्याक आमकांय दुख भोगता. कित्याक आमी कॉमन ऑपोजिशन म्हणून फायट करपाक सोदतात, पूण ऑपोजिशन असली जाली म्हणटकीर मागीर जाता. सो आज असली परिस्थिती जाल्ली आहा की सगळीं बिलां बुलडोज करून गेल्ली आहा. पूण गोंयकाराक आज सांगपाक सोदता की यू नीड टू हॅव मोर पीपल who are going to be legislators like us. You need to give more people chance. जे भाशेन बाणालकरांनी आज म्हाका चान्स दिलो, वेळेकारांनी क्रुजा चान्स दिलो, हेच भाशेन नवे भुरग्यांक वयर काडपाक म्हाका सदां लोकांनी चान्स दिवपाक जाय.